Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to bulk draft pages in WordPress site. So let's start the video. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to the page section. Now select the pages which you want to edit as a draft. Here you can see. Now I select the pages which I want to make as a draft. Now click on bulk actions and select the edit button. Now click on apply. Here you can see a new pop-up has been opened, and here you can see the status button. So click on no changes, and here you can see in the list below, here is the status draft. Select the draft and update. Now you can see which pages we are selected. Now let's move to the draft section. So this is the process which help you to make the bulk draft pages in WordPress. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.